This is my 24th video. In this video, I want to speak on animal hibernation to counter adversity. You know, sometimes the nature changes, climate changes, weather changes, and the adverse conditions are created so much so that the animals and plants find it very difficult to survive. Very drastic adversity, horrific adversity will exist sometimes. To get on, to survive, the life system will adapt to a process called hibernation or deep sleep. We'll see how. The topic is animal hibernation to counter adversity. When an animal attains minimal metabolic rate, its state is said to be hibernation. The animal undergoes hibernation to conserve energy in adverse living conditions. Hibernation is achieved